Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Update. The Big Bud HN250 is a true legend in the world of tractors, built for raw power and durability. Manufactured in the 1970s by Big Bud Tractors in Montana, this machine was designed for heavy-duty farming, offering impressive performance for large-scale operations. Under the hood, the HN250 packs a powerful 250 horsepower engine, making it one of the most capable tractors of its time. It features a massive frame with a sturdy build, ensuring stability and efficiency in handling tough terrains and heavy loads. The design is simple yet functional, focusing on reliability rather than luxury. Unlike modern tractors with high-tech cabins, the Big Bud HN250 keeps things basic, with a spacious yet straightforward operator's seat and easy-to-use controls. One of the standout features of the HN250 is its impressive pulling capacity. With its high torque and strong traction, it excels in fieldwork, whether plowing, tilling, or other demanding tasks. Farmers appreciated its mechanical simplicity, as it was easy to repair and maintain compared to more complex modern machines. Despite its age, many Big Bud HN250 tractors are still in use today, a testament to their durability and dependability. Another advantage is its adaptability. Owners could modify and upgrade parts without the restrictions found in newer, computerized tractors. Though the HN250 might not have the sophisticated technology of today's agricultural machines, it remains a favorite among tractor enthusiasts and collectors. Its rugged charm and historical significance make it a sought-after model in farming communities. Seeing one in action today is a reminder of an era when farming machinery was built to last, focusing on strength and efficiency over automation. For those who appreciate classic farming equipment, the Big Bud HN250 is a masterpiece, representing the peak of traditional tractor engineering. See you in the next one.